After the project is created, it will show you this screen. Here it shows you the name of your project. Now we have to add Python files inside of this project in which we have to work. So I will right click this project name and then new, and here we have Python file. As we have to code in Python, so we can choose this Python file. It prompts me for the name of the file, so I will name it first file and press OK. As you can see, it created a file named first file and its extension is py, which means that it's a Python file. Now I can write all my codes here. So let's write a single line of code. Print. We will learn it later in our lectures. For now, we will just print learning Python. To run this for the first time, we have to select Run from the top menu. Then there is an option of Run here. You have to select this. It asks you that you want to learn this first file. Yes, we will select this. And as you can see, output here, it printed the statement learning Python. We will discuss this print function later in our upcoming videos. So for now, you can just look at the output. This window here is the output window. It shows all the outputs of our code that we run. Now if you want to run the code again, for example, I added another line of print command here, learning Python 2. Now you don't have to go onto the top run menu. You have on the right top corner you have this green arrow here. You can click this simply and it will run the code. As you can see, I clicked that green arrow on the right top corner. It printed the output. We can add as many files as we want in our project. Here our project is python_tutorial here, and we have one file, first file here. So if we want to add more files, we have to repeat the procedure. Right click on the folder, new, and again Python file. We can name it file2 and press OK. So as you can see, it created another file. This is the first file and this is the second file. So now if I add some code here, for example print command, now for the first time I cannot run it directly from here because as you can see, first file is selected here on the right top corner. So to select file 2, I have to repeat the procedure. I have to go to the top menu, select run, and then this option run. From here I can select file 2. So you have to select this file 2, and as you can see, it is now running the file 2. Now as you have added both the files here, as you can see in the right top corner, we have added both the files, first file and file 2. Now whichever file we want to run, we have to just select that and run it from here. So for example, if I want to run first file, I will select it here and just simply press this green arrow button. As you can see, output has changed and it's the output of first file. That's all from this session. Let's move to our next session.